The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the UAE are leading the future of identity. We built the infrastructure for this future. This is a sovereign genomic identity infrastructure designed for Vision 2030 and Gulf governance requirements. Our system boasts 0 recorded collisions, a latency of less than 1 millisecond per sample, and a 15-hex anchored GIS tag. The National Full Genome Sequencing Challenge creates system burdens. The sheer size of raw data is up to 300 gigabytes per sample. This means delays of hours or days for processing or searching. There is a lack of interoperability between large national databases. Furthermore, the backlog crisis means samples can wait for weeks or months. AVEUM GIS engine compresses 300 gigabytes of standard WGS format data into a 15-character sovereign identity anchor in milliseconds. The process involves XLEM ingestion and the ACE engine to generate the 15-hex GIS output. This output is deterministic, irreversible, zero-knowledge, and collision-free. This slide outlines our multi-family cryptographic chain, featuring 3 independent hash families and 5 processing protocols to create one deterministic sovereign identifier. The families are AVEUM-256A for foundational cryptographic anchoring, AVEUM-256B for orthogonal cross-verification, and AVEUM-SH-512 for extended high-entropy processing. The ACE protocol coordinates these families. We have documented performance metrics on real genomic data. Batch processing time for 3,202 samples is 2.428 seconds, with an average time of 0.738 milliseconds per sample. The ARK512 OPS platform achieves a throughput of 1,318 samples per second with 0 failures or collisions. This translates to processing a national backlog of 10 million samples in less than 2.1 hours. Our deployment model is on-premise, air-gapped, and fully sovereign. AVEUM GIS is not a SaaS product. Data never leaves sovereign territory. It aligns with Saudi SDAIA and PDPL requirements, as well as UAE data sovereignty requirements. The ARK512 OPS full platform includes a lab pack integration, Docker/Kubernetes deployment, and a secret source code escrow. AVEUM GIS provides a single infrastructure for all government tasks. For genomic forensics, national populations are searchable instantly, solving cold cases and eliminating false convictions. For single genomic identity, a single GIS tag integrates with UAE Pass and KSA National Digital ID. For migration and border ports, a swab generates an instant GIS ID at any port without documents. The Gulf is at the heart, and the world is following. KSA and the UAE lead the world in comprehensive national genomic identity programs. Brazil, India, Pakistan, Kenya, and Nigeria are moving in the same direction. All face challenges of WGS file size and interoperability, which are key integration goals for AVEUM. Privacy by design, not by promise. Our system is built for a world where data breaches are inevitable. It is compliant with GDPR, DPITA, KSA PDPL, DIFC, and ISO standards. We enforce zero-knowledge design, irreversibility, and ensure data never leaves sovereign territory. Absolute identity, sovereign scope. If you lead or supervise a national identity, genomic forensics, or WGS initiative under Vision 2030, you need to see what we have built. Visit ksa.aveum.id. Request a mutual non-disclosure agreement. Obtain a 24-hour evaluation license and test it on your private infrastructure.